Hey everyone, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and today we're going to be learning a song called Stand By Me by Ben E. King. This is a really fun song to play on the guitar. And of course a classic song to sing along with. So if you want to play along with me, all you have to do is download the worksheet that I put a link in the description to. Go ahead and grab that and you'll get a PDF of Stand By Me, and I'm going to screen share that for us today in our lesson so that you can play along right now, even if you don't download the worksheet. Let's get into it. First things first, sharing the screen. All right, what we're looking at today is the tab and chords for Stand By Me by Ben E. King. The song opens up with this line that starts on the 3rd fret of the 5th string 2 times. Then once on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then back to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. So it goes like this. Then we'll move forward to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. 2nd fret of the 5th string, open 5th string 3 times, and then the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Let's try that whole first line of tab. We have and that brings us to our second line of tab. Open 5th string 3 times. 3rd fret of your 6th string. 1st fret of your 6th string 3 times. Open 5th string. 3rd fret of your 6th string. Then 2nd fret of your 5th string. Then 3rd fret of your 5th string. And lastly, 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, and 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, I do understand that this will probably take you some time alone to master, but I'll try my very best to go really slow right now. Let's play that opening riff of Stand By Me. Awesome. That brings us to the part where we play chords. We have 4 chords in this song. C chord, A minor chord, F chord, G chord. And just for fun, I'll add this fact today, fun fact. The C chord is what we call our 1 chord. The A minor chord is what we call our 6 chord. F is our 4 chord, and G is our 5 chord. 1, 6, 4, 5. A pretty common chord progression in pop and rock music. Let's play through each one of those chords. So our C chord is going to have our 1st finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. A minor, all we're going to do to get to the A minor from C is move our ring finger from the 5th string to the 3rd string. Now we have our F chord. This is everyone's favorite chord. So I'm going to give you a couple options. Some people call it their frenemy. So you can either bar the whole 1st fret and then make the E major shape, which is your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, ring finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and pinky on the 3rd fret, 4th string. Or you can release the bar and just bar the top 2 notes like the drawing here. Or you can release these 2 notes and just play the first 3 strings And if you're really struggling with that, you can just play the first fret of the 6th string by itself. So that would be like, there's C, A minor, and then here's just the note F by itself. Not too bad, right? We've done C, A minor, F, and then G. Our G chord, pointer finger 2nd fret 5th string, middle finger 3rd fret 6th string, and I like to use my ring finger and my pinky for G, so I'd be adding it here. I'll put my ring finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string and my pinky on the 3rd fret 1st string. Fills it out a little bit more. I like to have more fretted notes than open strings. Those are our chords in the song. If you need to, you can go ahead and pause here. This might be as far as you get today. You get to play the opening riff, and then you get to go through all the chords. But if you're feeling up for it, let's go forward to our chord progression. The song is pretty cool because it has the same chord progression repeating throughout the whole song. C for 2 measures, A minor for 2 measures, F for 1, G for 1, and then C for 2. That sounds like this. Goes like that for the entire song. For the strumming pattern, I'm simply doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If you want kind of like a rock and roll feel, you can just do down. And the land is dark. But either way, if you do down, up, down, up, down, up, you get the same rhythm. If you just straight down, you get a little more kind of tension building. That's all there is to it. It's just a really simple song with great lyrics, a beautiful melody, and this awesome opening riff. I'm gonna leave this up, and then let's try playing the riff one more time, and then I'll close it, and then we'll try playing everything together. All right, here's that opening riff. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you have that in your memory or print it out, because here we go with all of Stand By Me by Ben E. King, and I'll even sing it for you today. Here we go. 1, 2, from the beginning. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon as you stand by me. And darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. And darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Won't you stand by me? Awesome, that's how I play Stand By Me. I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you next time.